Most welcome to again my YouTube channel, my dear friends, and be available on Fiber on Wow Web application. Digester game available now. So this game so be easily, and you will be completed to be 70 levels. So how to be completed to be this game level, so I will tell you something. I will be some levels I will be completed now, and then I will tell you how to be you will be this type this completed this game level. So just I request to you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm so helping to you, and I hope you will be like my videos and comments me. So let's start this video. My friends, I will be already download this game, and I will be helping to you, and completely I will be helping to you, and I accept now. Okay, you will be pained on this. Okay, first of all, you use your hand on this game, and you scratch now. First of all, you check now. I'm scratch now first. Okay. My dear friend, first step complete now, and just I tell you, I will be click now. Okay, so which like you will be using now. So I like be like this stencil I will be so using the red color. Okay, okay, more good, more good, more good, using by this. Okay, okay, this complete now. If have any like be not to be completed, so you will be completed no. Okay, okay, done. You will be click now. Okay, next step to be choosing on this. I like this. Okay, so hold and paint. I will be using to be this. Oh my god, so much ads now. So I will be or you will be hold. Okay, you check now. You okay, next step now. So you check now, and I will be using these words. Okay, and I will be click now. So perfect, you check now. So this claim now, and I no thanks, you see. So next level I will be no thanks, like with next level tap to continue. Okay, accept now. So this is the third. Okay, and finish using on your finger on this scratch now. Okay, 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 next step now. So I feel like be stencil so good using to be this black color. Okay, just to be using. Okay, 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 this complete now. Done. Okay, next step. So next step to be starting now. Using to will be this. I will be like this. Okay, next. Okay, to using on this, they're my favorite color. Like, okay, Okay, you using now? Check now. Okay, next level 3. Okay, step. So you're checking out best of all, like be on this horn on your fingers. Okay. Okay. So you're checking now, and so be easily everything to be and be completed now. That's good. Okay, I will be click now. Perfect. That's good. And I hope you will be enjoy this game. And just I request you always be watching my videos and also to be like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm so more helping to you. So choose the box. Okay, three key have. Okay, thank you so much. No thanks. And claim no. Thanks for playing. So tap to continue. No, this time not have. So you will be accept no though this type this like the levels how to be completed no, and this last level I will be completed and then I hope you will be understand how to be completed now. Okay, so marker using now. That's good. Okay, using on here be. Okay, amazing. Okay, nice to be using here be this. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, using on marking. Okay, and next to be storing this. Okay, you're checking now, and this to be completed to be easily these games. So I hope you will be enjoy now, and thank you so much for you. Like my videos, and I'm so happy to you supporting me, and thank you so much always, and love you guys, and more thank you so much, and you will be checking now and easily to be completed to be all of levels.